Hello everyone, this is John. Welcome to Brainworks Puzzles and Quizzes. Have fun answering questions or solving a problem. I hope you enjoy this one. There are 12 identical looking marbles. 11 of them weigh exactly the same, and the 12th one is either heavier or lighter than the others. Your task is to identify the odd one out and say whether it's lighter or heavier in only 3 weighings with a pair of scales. Press pause here to think, and when you're ready, continue playing to hear the solution. There are a few solutions to this problem, but they are all just variations on the same theme. Here is one of them. For the first weighing, divide the marbles into 3 groups of 4. Weigh 2 lots of 4 against each other. There are 2 possible outcomes. Case 1. The scales are balanced. This means that all the marbles you weighed are good, and that the other 4 marbles are suspect. For the second weighing, take 3 suspect marbles and weigh them against 3 good marbles. There are 2 possible outcomes. Case 1a. The scales stay balanced. You now know that the odd one out is the one you haven't weighed yet. For the third weighing, you weigh that marble against any other marble to find out if it is heavier or lighter. Case 1b. The scales aren't balanced. You now know whether it is heavier or lighter. Let's say the scales went down, so the odd one out is heavier. For the third weighing, you weigh 2 of the 3 suspect marbles against each other. Whichever one goes down is the heavy one, and if they are balanced, it's the one you didn't weigh. Case 2. The scales aren't balanced after the first weighing. This means that all the marbles you weighed are suspect. More specifically, you have 4 suspect light marbles and 4 suspect heavy marbles, and that the other 4 marbles are good. This is where it gets a little tricky. For the second weighing, weigh 3 heavy marbles plus 1 light marble against 3 good marbles plus 1 heavy marble. There are 3 possible outcomes. Case 2a. The scales stay balanced. You now know that the odd one out is one of the 3 light marbles you didn't weigh. For the third weighing, you weigh 2 of them against each other. Whichever one goes up is the light one, and if nothing happens, it's the one you didn't weigh. Case 2b. The scales go down on the side with the 3 heavy marbles. You now know that the odd one out is heavy. For the third weighing, you weigh 2 of them against each other. Whichever one goes down is the heavy one, and if nothing happens, it's the one you didn't weigh. Case 2c. The scales go up on the side with the 3 heavy marbles. There are 2 possible explanations for this. Either the single heavy marble really is heavy, or the single light marble really is light. For the third weighing, take either one and weigh it against any of the 10 good ones to find out. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed that and want more of the same, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Bye for now, and see you again soon on Brainworks.